So you want to start making money on YouTube, but you don't have the 1K subs or 4,000 hour required. Well, that's not a problem. Today I'll be showing you how you can monetize your channel and start making some money without relying on AdSense. Just like this, you see those cha-chings? Those are all sales, guys. 7 sales in one day, 5 sales in one day, 2, 5, 4, all sales. What's up, guys? It's Ayub from ViralWhirl here, and in today's video I just want to show you how you can start making money on YouTube without relying on AdSense. And you can make way more money through this than what YouTube actually pays anyways. A lot of people use YouTube the wrong way. They try to make a channel in the most saturated niches like gaming or a vlogging channel. They try to grow it and think they're gonna make millions off it. Let's be real here, guys. To make real money off YouTube, I'm talking about 6 figures a year, you need at least 500,000 to 1 million subscribers. And that's considering your content doesn't get demonetized or there's an adpocalypse. And that's why people are using YouTube the wrong way. Instead of trying to chase 1 million subscribers or 100K subs, try to get 5,000. 10,000 views on a video and leverage those views into traffic and then into affiliate income, which will be far more than what YouTube will pay you for a 10,000 view video. And in the Video Marketing Academy course that's coming out this Saturday, the 13th, I talk about the same exact concept of leveraging YouTube views into passive income. So that's what we're doing here. In essence, this is basically using YouTube views to get traffic to an affiliate offer. So how that works is you make an informational how-to or tutorial video on YouTube with any niche. It could be seriously in any niche, as long as you're giving out information. It's not entertainment. And as long as you can actually find an affiliate offer for that niche. So you make a video on YouTube. It could be a how-to explaining how to complete a test or how to do something using a software or a review, pros and cons. So let me just give you a quick example. Let's say we're promoting an affiliate offer like Jarvey. Okay, if you don't know what Jarvey is, it's an Instagram automation software that I actually promote myself. Okay, it helps you follow and unfollow, like, and all that automatically. And the way I would promote an offer like this, an Instagram automation software, is easy. I would basically make a video on YouTube showing people how to get Instagram followers, and in the video I would show them 2 methods. One would be the hard way, which they would have to do manually and it's going to take a long time, but that's free. And one easy method, which is automated but paid, and it's going to get you there way quicker than with a manual method. Okay, so here's where we promote Jarvey. So obviously people want to get things done ASAP, right? They wouldn't mind paying for a software like Jarvey if it gets things done for them ASAP, okay? So boom, that's where Jarvey comes in. You could tell them in a video that you can use this method right here using this software. It's all automated. List the features, list the pros, and there you go. From there on, you just have to get the views, and as long as the views come in, you will make money. Okay, so this method focuses on 2 things: your offer in the video and the views. And getting views on informational how-to videos is really easy to do. You just need to focus on your title and tags. That's it. It's really easy to rank a video like this. In fact, those earnings that I showed you at the beginning of the video, the cha-chings, are all from one video I did on my channel. It's called How to Get Instagram Followers. It currently has, like, I think 1 million views. So yeah, guys, a lot of people don't know you can start making money on YouTube without having to apply for monetization. You just need views. So let me go to my screen and show you guys how you can find an offer and some examples. And like always, make sure you smash that like button for all this value that I'm giving. Okay, guys, so how this method would basically work, like I told you guys, you do videos, informational videos, how-to videos, helping people out, basically anything that's informational. Okay, it can't be like entertainment or anything like that. That doesn't work. It has to be informational, where you're giving out value or helping people out. That's how it works. And then there you throw in your offer. You can't just throw in the offer right away. Like I said, you need to actually give value out. Give value, show them free methods, and then the paid method could be your offer. Okay, you have to give value first, then you hit them with the offer. So let me show you some examples around here on YouTube. There's a lot of examples. For example, Shopify. Shopify actually has an affiliate program that I use personally. Okay, so I use the Shopify affiliate program. I have it on my old videos, and I still get revenue from that till this day. Okay, I still get around 2,000, 3,000 4,000 sometimes on a good month when those videos pick up on views. And I have people that signed up for the affiliate program like 6 months ago that are still earning me affiliate revenue because their store is still up and they're still paying for their plan. So let me show you the example for Shopify. If you search Shopify versus WooCommerce, something like this. So you're going to find videos like this, Shopify versus WooCommerce, Shopify, basically reviewing Shopify. This is an informational video. It's not like a how-to or a tutorial, but they're actually reviewing them. They're reviewing which is better, WordPress or Shopify, WooCommerce or Shopify. WooCommerce is a platform on WordPress where you can sell stuff just like Shopify. But yeah, they're comparing the two. And WooCommerce is actually free. If I can recall, it's actually free. So as you can see, they're doing the same exact thing I told you guys. You put the free method and then the paid method. WooCommerce is free and Shopify is paid. Obviously, the paid program, the paid software, the paid offer is going to have much better features or advanced features than a free program like WooCommerce. So they have, once you click on the video, so if someone clicks through here and gets taken to Shopify and they buy Shopify, this guy gets paid off that. Okay, so it's really easy. It's a really easy concept. With this method, all you have to do, like I said, is get views. That's all you need to focus on, getting views. And getting views with informational videos is really easy. It's not like entertainment or gaming where you're just doing random titles. You just need to work on the titles like this. Like this guy has unbiased pros and cons review for 2018. You could do the 2019 version, and it could easily rank up there because obviously people want to see an updated review. All he's doing is giving information, giving the free product and the paid product, and then linking to it in the description. And once you click on that, you go, and when you buy, he gets paid off that, gets commission. So not only can you do this for software, but you could do this for courses, you could do this for info products, ebooks, supplements. You could even do this for supplements. So like this, something like this, 6-pack. Wait. So you could actually make videos like these. Okay, videos like these. How to lose weight fast, how to lose weight, and then go on ClickBank, okay? ClickBank, go on clickbank.com. I showed you guys what ClickBank is. If you don't know what that is, there's videos all over the internet for ClickBank. It's basically a affiliate marketplace where you can find people selling books, courses, and basically info products. And on those info products, you can find info products for losing weight, getting a 6-pack, whatever it is that you want to do a video on. And if you find a product on how to get a 6-pack, you can make a video like this, how to lose belly fat or how to lose 20 pounds. You could do a video like that and just explain to people in animated format and whiteboard video, just like I do in my videos, explain to people how they could do that in 1 month. And then you could tell them, I have a link in the description actually if you guys want to see an ebook more in depth about losing weight. And they'll go and check it out, and if they actually buy that ebook, you get a commission. So like I said, people are using YouTube the wrong way, okay? They're trying to chase fame. They're trying to chase subscribers. But if you actually want to build a business and actually want to make some money, you could actually make 6 figures a year off YouTube just with 1,000 subscribers. And I actually show you how you can do that in the course. Like I said, that's releasing on Saturday, this Saturday. I show you how to do that. You don't need 1 million subscribers to make 6 figures a year. To make 6 figures a year on YouTube. The one thing that you need is views, okay? Once you get those views, you funnel them into traffic, and then traffic into that affiliate offer or whatever it is that you're selling. Course, info products, whatever that you're selling, okay? You could even dropship items. You could even dropship Shopify items on YouTube, okay? If you guys want to see how to dropship products and get sales off YouTube, go ahead, comment that down below in the comments, and I can make that a video tomorrow or after tomorrow, whatever. Go ahead and comment that if you want to see that. But yeah, guys, that's all you need. All you need is an informational video, how-to video, tutorial video, and find an affiliate product for that video, whatever niche that you're doing that video on, and then go find that product. And like I said, provide value, and then link to the product. Tell people if you guys want to make this easier, or if you're doing a review, pros and cons, this is better than that. You could compare it to affiliate programs, to affiliate offers, whatever it is, and do the pros and cons or do the reviews. There's many ways to do it, okay? It's not just one way. It's not just how to. It's not just a tutorial. It's not just pros and cons, not just reviews. There's a lot of ways you could do it. You could just get creative with it. And if you guys have any questions regarding this, go ahead and comment them down below, okay? A lot of people were confused on my other video on affiliate marketing, same video on affiliate marketing. They're confused about some stuff. They thought they need to set up some website or anything. You don't need to set up a website. It's all on YouTube, okay? You're just linking to that affiliate product. Later on, once you actually grow and scale, you could set up your own website. And then with that website, you can retarget those people with ads and everything. But that's just advanced, okay? When you're beginning, you just need to do this. Make a few bucks. Once you save like $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, then you could start your own website and start retargeting people, build that email list, and that's how you build a personal brand and hopefully scale it to 7 figures a year. It is possible, guys. So yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, again, make sure you hit that like button. And that's it for today, guys. Peace.